Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to bulk edit prices on Shopify. So first of all, what we need to do, just you have to click on the products, and now here you can see edit product option. So simply what you need to do, just click on edit products. So now here you can see the prices are different. So now what we need to do, we have to select all this. So how to select, just you have to press the shift button from your keyboard, and after pressing the shift button you have to press the down arrow, and now here first of all remove this price. So here add the new price. So here you can see we have easily do it. After this, just click on the save button. So in this way you can easily bulk edit prices on Shopify.